Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Let's start today's video. Today's video is about fan capacitor connections. Please watch the complete video. Don't skip the video. All single phase motors or fan has two windings, ring or loops of coils. One is starting winding and other is running winding. The mostly technicians use two colors of wires. One color wire is going directly to the running and starting winding, and this wire is called common, which is connected directly to 220 volts supply. The other two wires of same color is connected to running and starting winding, and mostly technicians give knot on one wire which is connected directly to 220 volts supply. Another wire is connected after the capacitor, and capacitors also need supply, so you can give supply from this point. Let's start the practical. So friends, let's now connect the capacitor. This is the capacitor of 3.5 UF. So this fan has two color wires. One is yellow and other two are green. One wire has the knot. So as we learn, this will go directly, this is common wire, will go directly to the 220, and this also will go to the 220, and this will go after the capacitor. So I am connecting the capacitor. Now we need 220 volt to this and to this wire and to the capacitor also. So I will give the 220 directly to the capacitor and to this. Now I will give this 220 volt supply and let's see what happens. This is our series board. As you can see the fan moving. So this is the way to connect the capacitor. Let's see have another experiment. Discharge the capacitor first. If we will give the supply to this wire, not to this wire, what will be happen? So you will give the supply to this wire and capacitor, and supply will go to the wire with the knot after the capacitor. So let's see what happened. The fan is still working and the direction of moving is opposite. Now its direction is opposite. So this experiment shows us with the polarity change of the wires, it will change the moving direction of the fan. So this is the correct polarity, because the fan should be moving towards this side. As you can see, these are the correct wires to give the 220 volt supply. Friends, thanks for watching. Like this video and share this video with others. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon for further notification. Stay blessed.